This instruction can be used to either open an existing file or create a new file on one of the file systems. Only the BRX PLCs has the SD card file system. All DoMores have a usable RAM file system if they have above version 2.0 firmware. While opening this file, it also initializes the file handle structure. This file handle structure contains the following members. The mode basically determines what can be done to the file. Can it be read? Can it be created and appended? Or can it be created and overwritten? Only one of these options can be selected. This mode is stored as part of the file pointer member of the file structure. This instruction can be used in a task or program but cannot be used in subroutines or interrupt service routines.